In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mask in Luminar Neo. Masking in Luminar Neo lets you target your edits so they affect only the parts of the photo you choose instead of the entire image. Think of it like painting light and color exactly where you want them. For example, you can brighten your subject while leaving the background untouched, or add contrast to the sky without changing the rest of the scene. Start by opening your image and heading to the Edit tab. Pick any tool you want to use, exposure, color, or another effect, and make a small adjustment. This part is important. Masking becomes available after you apply an effect, even if it's just a slight change. Consider it your way of telling Luminar what you plan to mask. Inside the tool you just adjusted, open the masking panel. Every tool in Luminar Neo includes masking, so you can control exactly where that tool's effect is shown or hidden within your image. Now choose the masking method that best fits your photo. The brush option gives you full manual control. Use Paint to add the mask where you want the effect to appear, and switch to Erase to remove the mask from areas you want to protect. Take your time and paint thoughtfully. Smaller brush sizes and careful strokes help you stay precise around edges. If you want a smooth transition across part of the image, use the linear gradient. Click and drag across the photo to create a soft fade from strong to subtle. This is perfect for skies and landscapes, where a gradual change looks natural. You can adjust the angle and width of the gradient to match the horizon or any sloped line in your composition. For a circular focus, choose the radial gradient. Drag to position and size the circle over your subject to create a gentle spotlight effect, great for portraits or drawing attention to a key element. The fall-off creates a pleasing, natural vignette without harsh edges. When you want Luminar to do the heavy lifting, select Mask AI. Click Mask AI, let it analyze the scene, and then choose from detected areas like sky, person, or building. This speeds up your workflow, especially on complex images with clear subjects. After you've placed your mask, refine it for a seamless result. Increase feather to soften the edges so the effect blends naturally. Use Shift Edge to expand or shrink the masked area slightly, which helps avoid halos or visible cut lines. If you don't see masking in certain raw tools right away, make a tiny adjustment first. That activates the mask controls and you're good to go.